At Teatrx, we pride ourselves with creating the easiest to use meeting rooms in the world. With effortless AV automation, we simplified your setup. Take control of your meeting spaces with just one touch. Welcome to the Teatrx step-by-step guide for easily controlling your meeting room. Let's jump right in. We integrate customizable iPad minis into our designs for full room control, allowing seamless management of cameras, TVs, and microphones. The iPad interface can be branded to match your company's look. To turn the room on, touch anywhere on the iPad. The system will automatically set up as the default room computer setting. To turn on the camera, press the red camera icon on the iPad. The icon will turn green and the camera will automatically turn to face the table. You can easily activate the room's microphone, either by touching the microphone button on the iPad or by touching the tabletop microphone. You can mute and unmute easily by touching either button. Red means muted and green means live. At Teatrx, we can easily add additional one-touch functions such as lighting or blind control. This simple one-touch formula is what we are known for. Do you still have questions? Call or email anytime. From all of us at Teatrx, thanks for watching.